So glad you're happy, man. Get that ninja. Don't kick me. Don't do it, man. Okay. Mink. Get ready to push each other off with a blowjob. What? What? My plan is just to run. Screw it. It's not even worth my life, if I'm gonna be honest. Oh, you're supposed to hold it. Okay, I see it. I see it now. Get off here, man. Okay, run, run, go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Maybe you could do it. No! Yes! Screwed you, man. Yes, I get that 3. Give me a 2 or something. Thank you. Dude, can you go away? Oh, come on, man. Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. Let's go. Oh, wait, what? Okay, never mind. I still got coins, though. Who cares? We're doing this again? Are you serious? One. 2. 1. 1. 3. No! Oh my gosh, bro. If I had a lock in a sock. Let me stop. Okay, I still got 10 coins. Don't fall in. Treadmill. Can I have skating? I don't think he's even running. Boxes. Can I get on top of these? Nope, I can't. Nope. If I had a dang jump quick. Ah! Nope. Try from the Why are we demolishing these things anyway? Okay, if I could just jump on someone's head. Okay, I bet that won't work. Okay, wait. Will that work? No, I only have to go through people. Stop the treadmill, man. 3, 2, 1. Yes, and look at me in first. Bah. Ooh, that's close. Fine, let's keep this. Everyone's getting smaller. Give me the diamond, man. Trampoline. One's mine. Oh, come on, cheater. Ah! Perfectly. Alcazar. Dude, I'm literally covering it. Finally. I was starting to get bored. Just sledgehammer out of here, man. I can't see. I hope there's not another flippin' arrow recording. Alcazar. Want to be a member? Type in Can the Hedgehog Joe. Type in Can the Hedgehog Underline 0729 to be a member. See you later.